Welcome everyone. In this video we'll be talking about how you can use the customizer to edit your site title and logo. So in this video we're showing you how to change your site title and logo through the WordPress customizer, of course with the added bold grid features that you're going to get in the customizer. And just to give you an example of when you would use this, typically when you install a WordPress site, you assign the site title or a tagline, which is optional, once you've gone through the original installation process. And of course, going to the customizer lets you change that whenever you want, but BoldGrid adds some extra features that let you do a lot more from one place. So I'm going to show you some of those options here. And you want to make sure you have a site title that really defines your site, because you can have any domain you want. Your domain can be example.com, but the actual title of your site is something different. And the site title will appear on every page of the site, so it's important that it's something that's good for your brand or your blog or whatever kind of site you have in your WordPress installation. Once you're logged into BoldGrid, you'll just click on the Customize button here on the left. And it brings me right to the customizer because I have an active site and a staging site, but if you just have an active site, you'll just click Customize again on the theme. And once we're in the customizer, we're going to click Site Title and Logo. You see the site title I have here is BoldGrid Inspirations, and you can change that, to anything you want. Just select, and it updates automatically in the preview window on the right. And you'll see here beneath the site title you have an optional tagline. The tagline is basically there if there's a brief statement or a way you can describe what your site is about in a few words. So for example, let's say the title of my site was Virginia Jet Ski Association. I would put the title right there, and the tagline could be something like Mastering the Fine Art of Jet Ski Rental. You see the tagline appears right underneath the title. And once you've decided on a site title and a tagline, you can proceed right down to the custom font options. These are optional. You can leave the fonts that come with the theme you've selected, but you can see how you can do a lot of customizing right from one menu here with virtually no effort. I just click the slider button there to turn on custom fonts, and you see I can choose a font family. It gives it a different kind of look. It's kind of big, so we'll switch it to something a little smaller, or just adjust the font size with this little slider. That's too small, but you can see you can get into a lot of detail here. And we'll cover more advanced font options in a different customizer video. The next important option I want to show you is setting up a logo. If you have a logo that you designed or something that was designed for your company and you want to use that instead of the site title, you can do that easily right here from the site title and logo menu. For our example here, I have a BoldGrid logo that I'm going to put in to replace the site title. All you'll do is go down to the site logo section here and click Select Image. And you'll see I have the big BoldGrid B here, and it's easy to upload your own graphics. You just click Upload Files, and you can drag it into this window here. But since I already have the image I want to use, I'm just going to go back into the media library, select the image, and then scroll down to the bottom right, click Select, and you'll see it recommends how I can crop the image. depending on the layout that comes with my theme. But for now, I want to see the whole thing, so I'm just going to click Skip Cropping. So now you see the logo has replaced my site title. The site title will still be used in your SEO results, or in your browser when you have different windows open. It'll have the site title there, so you still see the site title, but as far as from a graphics point of view, you basically just have this logo here, which looks kind of impressive. And you can adjust the logo size. If it's a little too big, you can bring it down with this slider. Or you can even make it bigger. And I kind of like the way it looked a little smaller. I think that's good. In addition to the size of the logo, you can actually change the position as well by turning on the position options. You see you can increase the top margin, bring it down a little lower, and the bottom margin should extend it from below, so you have more space beneath the logo. Kind of separates it off to itself. And the horizontal margin will move it left and right. And clicking the refresh button here will bring them back to their default options. And that's how you can edit your site title and easily add a logo right to the header of your site. If you have any comments or questions or concerns, you can leave a comment or ask a question, and we'll be happy to see how we can help you.